Good afternoon and welcome back to the next Project Bimmer video, my 1995 BMW 318. And in this video we're going to fit interior LED lights. So these are the interior LED bulbs I've ordered on Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link in the description, so if you want to try this out on your own E36, just click the link, and if you buy it I get a little commission. It helps my channel out. I need all help I can get, so I'll get these opened up. There's also been an assortment of festoon bulbs and the 501 cappers bulbs, so we'll just empty them out. Finds that should be alright on this. Oops, I'm going to drop one of them, be careful. So we've got three types. We've got the smaller festoon bulbs, got the larger festoon bulbs, so I'll just go through them all. And some 501s. So it's looking like we have 7 of the smaller festoon bulbs. I think they're 30 odd mil. 4 of the, I think these are the 42 mil festoon bulbs, and 4 of the 501 LED bulbs. So let's get inside the car and we'll get these all fitted. Right, I'm going to start off with this one. So get a trim tool. So it's better to use trim tools and screwdrivers. So we'll just prise this off. Not sure how this comes off. Just gently prise it off. I'll just leave that hanging. I think this just unclips this lens, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, there's a couple of tabs which you pull back. Oh, switching it on. Looks like you pull back these tabs. Oh, this one might, I think this lens just unclips. Yeah, I think there's a couple of tabs there. Just knock them back. Yep, that's one of them released. That's the other one released. Yep, that releases the PCB. There we go. And then we can change our bulbs out. So what we got here? Yep, not 501s, I was telling a lie, but the small bayonet bulbs. So we just get them swapped out. And then change this festoon bulb. which looks to be one of the longer ones. I think these are 42mm. Yeah, 42mm. Fits in like so. Then we just put it all back together. We just push it into terminals there like so. Get it all lined up. Right, we should be able to quickly test it. Yep, that's working. I think the mapper lights might need ignition on. No. Oh, it could be to do with polarity, because LEDs they only work one way. Well, after that little map light failure, that'll move on to the illuminated sun visor. So that's what it looks like. So just prise this one off again using the trim tools, and that's another festoon bulb, another large festoon bulb. I think they are the 42mm ones then. So we'll just quickly check it. And the joys of LEDs is that oh yep, that works. So another win, and do the same on the other side. Just move you round. Oops, just get the camera a bit more secure. There we go. And then we do the same on this side. Prise it out. Remove the filament bulb. Fit this. Yep, that's working. So I think that's a result. Alright, we'll try the glove box light. I'll just pull that out, pull the handbook out. It's same as before. Just prise out the bulb holder. It's a bit hard to do this from driver's seat. Oh. So I might have to take out the glove box to get to this. I'll move to a better position. I'll let you further move to a better position, so with this thin screwdriver it should prise out, which it does. And this is one of those small festoon bulbs. I'll just unplug that. And we'll just plug this back in. Yeah, that seems to be working quite well. Just replace that. And that's that one done. Okay, so it's time to do these C-post, well D-post lights. So just prise it out with the trim tool. It's dead easy. I think we'll unclip the light. Let's see how this comes out. It should just prise off there, swings out. It's a small festoon bulb. Right, I might as well do this in view at camera rather than doing it out of sight. Camera. It just hinges back in. It's really that simple. Plug it in, make sure it only goes in one way, so impossible to get it wrong if you don't force it. So just put it back in. Just test it, make sure it works. So just turn the ignition off. Okay, I'll get out of the car, take the keys out of ignition, just make sure it's working. Right, yeah, it's working because I had the interior light in the off position, so that's why it wasn't working, so that's definitely working. Yeah, so that's the result. I'll do the other side. It's same as before, so I don't need to show you that. So next is this boot light. Let's have a look. So how this comes out. There we go. These seem to have come off, so take this out. Ow! That's hot, and we need one of the 42mm for stones. And for some reason that doesn't seem to be working. Just and open it. I don't know why that's not working. As you can see, it's working. I think what I'd done was when I took light out, because the terminals were exposed, because you saw the plastic covers of the terminals had come off, I must have shorted it to earth and popped the fuse. And there's the offending fuse, and if you can see that there. So that's the boot light done. Unfortunately that wasn't a total success. I had to reinstate the original bulbs for the map lights. I think it's something to do with polarity of bulbs, and I can't do anything about that unless I changing some off, but that's not going to work. Anyway, I'm going to end it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Questions, comments, you know what, Paul, as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.